Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to invite your friends to the Signal app. All right. But before we begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you already shop on Amazon, the Amazon Prime subscription can help you save hundreds of dollars. Okay. If you want to learn how, click on that link in my video description. It's this link over here. So just click my video description, and you'll be able to see this Amazon trial link. Okay, check it out, and I think it's worth it, and I highly recommend it. Now, back to your video. To invite your friends on the Signal app, you first open up the Signal app like I have here, then go to Settings. You see over here on this icon, click on that. And then you see over here where it says Invite Your Friends. So click on that. And then you have the option of inviting them through either message or email. So select one of those and follow the rest of the instructions. That's how you can easily invite your friends on the Signal app. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out my Amazon Prime trial and possibly save hundreds of dollars. Thank you for watching, and like the video if you like it.